Hey, beautiful learner, welcome back. Today, I want to tell you a story about courage, patience, and the quiet power of choosing one more step. As you listen, shadow my voice. Follow the rhythm. Follow the emotion. Feel the English grow inside you. Before we begin, take a deep breath and repeat after me. I am ready to grow today. Amira had always dreamed of climbing a mountain. Not because she wanted to reach the top, not because she wanted a picture, and not because anyone asked her to. She wanted to climb a mountain because deep inside her heart, she wanted to prove something to herself. I can do something difficult. I can do something big. But life got busy. Work, family, responsibilities, they all pulled her attention in different directions. Days turned into weeks, and weeks turned into months. The dream stayed quietly inside her, waiting. One day, after a long, stressful week, Amira sat in her small apartment, looking out of the window. The city lights were glowing softly. Cars moved like tiny stars on the dark roads. Her mind felt heavy. She felt stuck, tired, and unsure of where her life was going. Then she whispered something to herself, very softly, almost without sound. I need a challenge. And the dream woke up again. She decided. She found a mountain near her city, not too big, not too dangerous, but high enough to scare her just a little. The mountain was called Ridge Peak, famous for its steep trail and strong winds at the top. The night before her climb, she packed her small backpack. Water, a snack, a jacket, a tiny notebook. She placed the bag on the floor and stared at it for a few seconds. Tomorrow, she whispered, I climb. Morning came early. The sky was still soft and pink. The air smelled fresh and cold. Birds were waking up, slowly filling the world with small sounds. Amira stood at the base of the mountain, looking at the long, winding trail above her. She felt nervous. Her hands were cold. What if I can't do it? She thought. But then another voice appeared, a gentle, encouraging voice from inside her. Just start. One step. So she started walking. Shadow this line with me. Every big dream begins with a small step. The first part of the trail was easy. The path was flat, the air was calm, and her body felt strong. But soon, the trail grew steeper. Her legs began to burn. Her breath became heavier. Sweat rolled down the side of her face. Every now and then, she stopped to rest. But each time, she reminded herself. One more step. Halfway up, she met an old man sitting on a rock. His beard was white, and his eyes were bright like winter snow. He smiled at her. First time climbing? He asked. Yes, she said, breathing hard. He nodded. Then remember this. Don't look at the top. Look at your next step. If you keep moving, the mountain will move for you. Amira smiled and thanked him. His words felt simple but powerful. She continued climbing, repeating his advice inside her mind. The higher she went, the stronger the wind became. Trees shook. Small stones rolled across the path. Her heart beat fast, not just from effort but from fear. The trail narrowed and the ground became uneven. A tiny voice of doubt whispered again. You can't do this. You're not strong enough. You should turn back. But Amira had learned something new today, that doubt is loud only when you're close to growth. So she closed her eyes for a second, placed her hand over her chest, and said gently, I choose to continue. Repeat after me. I am stronger than my doubts. Step by step, she climbed. Hours passed. Her legs felt heavy. Her water bottle was almost empty. The air was thinner. But then, she saw something, a small patch of sunlight at the end of the trail. It looked like a golden doorway waiting for her. She pushed herself forward. When she finally reached the top, the world opened. The sky was huge and bright. The wind brushed her face like a greeting. The land below looked peaceful and far away. Amira stood there quietly, taking everything in. She didn't shout. She didn't raise her hands. She didn't take a picture. Instead, she closed her eyes and felt something deep. A sense of pride. A sense of strength. A sense of peace. She took out her tiny notebook and wrote one sentence. I am capable of more than I think. Then she sat for a while, breathing slowly, feeling the calm settle into her bones. She realized something important. The mountain wasn't a place. The mountain was her fear, her doubt, her hesitation. And she had climbed it. On her way down, she moved with confidence. Her steps were steady. Her heart was lighter. She knew that when life became difficult again, when she felt lost or tired, she could remember this day. She could remember the old man's words. She could remember her own courage. And she could always say, one more step, because that's how every mountain is climbed. And that's how every life is changed. Shadow this last line with me. One more step can change my life. And beautiful learner, if this story helped you, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments. I love reading them. Repeat each sentence after me. I am stronger than my excuses. I grow a little more every day. One step can change everything. I choose progress, not perfection. I can do difficult things. My dreams are worth the effort. I am becoming my best self. Every challenge teaches me something. I don't quit, I rise. Today, I give my best. If you enjoyed this practice, make sure you subscribe, like the video, and tell me in the comments what you want next. Your feedback helps the channel grow, and it helps me make better English lessons for you.